Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is July the 26th, 2020. I'm going to give you all a very quick update for Bitcoin, but before I do, I want to plug you in on our website, which is right here, HueFinancial.com. Definitely want you all to become part of our community. It is free, and you'll have access to all of our other price predictions within the cryptocurrency space, the stock market, or anything else that we feel is relevant to the information that we want you all to see and understand. So you have to come on over to our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to grasp all of our other content that we have available for you. So make sure you do that. All right, so now let's go ahead and talk about Bitcoin real quick. Last time we did our video in Bitcoin was actually about a couple of days ago. You can see right here on the 23rd of July, we're expecting the market in Bitcoin to move higher in price. And we had our TP right there around 10 grand. And the market came and tagged that out today. As a matter of fact, it came all the way up there towards $10,200. So at best, 5.5% could have been into your pocket today from the last 3 days. So we saw that strength into the market in Bitcoin 3 days ago. So we beat the market trapper to the punch in order to maintain that 5.5% profitability in its space. So that's it done. That's over with. We can get rid of it, and we need to talk about what the market trapper is going to try to do in Bitcoin going forward. Now, one thing I want to do, I want to clearly let you all see here that Bitcoin is still following a massive uptrend. Okay, this trend in Bitcoin is still relevant and it's still in play, but you look at this particular line for the long term. Okay, the current price action is coming in and hovering around at $10,000 level. Everyone is paying attention to what's going to occur in the market for Bitcoin at 10 grand. And we're going to do the same thing. Now we're going to look at Bitcoin first on the longer perspective, which is on this monthly time frame. And this is powerful for a long-term view in Bitcoin. And we have 5 more days to conclude the month of July, and we're still showing indicators of market strength. The long-term view in Bitcoin, if we were to take a snapshot right now, and this was the last day of July, I would definitely be expecting Bitcoin to continue to see some movement higher in price, period. Looking for that. When we look at Bitcoin on a weekly time frame, the strength is what is spilling over into the monthly price chart for Bitcoin to substantiate the movement higher in price. And that's how we're going to continue to play Bitcoin for the long term. The market on the monthly looks real good. The market on the weekly for Bitcoin looks real good. Daily time frame, you will have some gyrations. You will have some movement to the downside on a daily basis. So if you're a day trader, then yeah, you will have some fluctuations to where the market in Bitcoin will bounce in between $9,000 all the way up there to $10,500. You can expect that. Looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, again, the market is still hinting that there's still sellers present around 10 grand. Once this market and Bitcoin breaks 10 grand to the upside on an indication of strength, you best believe that the market in Bitcoin is going to make a more dramatic movement higher in price. Okay. So yeah, we're going through some weakness right now in Bitcoin on an hourly perspective. You can expect that because everyone is trying to tag out at that $10,000 level and the weakness is still present. But I won't be too concerned about that so long as this market in Bitcoin trades above $9,800. So yeah, we could expect some movement to the downside, but the market trades above $9,800. We're going to continue to move higher. So we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Bitcoin. I definitely like what's going on for the long term though. Weekly and the monthly time frame, the market in Bitcoin is going to continue to move higher in price. Now, from a weekly perspective, the next area of restriction is at 11 grand. But from a monthly perspective, 12 grand would be the next area of TP on a monthly perspective. But right now, we're going to play it on the daily. Okay, I've told you already that $9,800 will have to be support in the market for Bitcoin. Now, the next couple of days, understand that the market in Bitcoin will see some movement to the downside. Now for us, we want the market trapper to hold price at Bitcoin above $9,800. But from a daily perspective, I'm trying to grab some support a little bit lower than that, around 95. Okay. Let's go ahead and extend out this restriction area into the market for Bitcoin, because everyone sees 10 grand. It's a psychological area. It's a mental in everyone's mind that Bitcoin needs to try to break above or cross in order to maintain that strength. But generally, we're still seeing strength on a weekly time frame. We're still seeing strength on the monthly time frame. Only this daily time frame is where you can have some movement to the downside, which is why we're trying to encompass that and expect that. And we're looking for support to definitely try to come in around 98, but we could hold out until around $9,500 too, to see the trap try to bring the value of Bitcoin down to. So generally, we're going to continue to expect some movement to the upside, based mostly off of the monthly and the weekly time frame. Okay, now this is simple. We're here to give you all this very crucial forecast in Bitcoin. Over the last couple of days to weeks, the market has literally just been in a consolidational range, and we might be entering now finally in Bitcoin a change in market direction from where we've just been consolidating to now we're actually going to see some movement higher in price, because it's been a while. And it's about time for the market in Bitcoin to participate with the majority of the altcoins so far. So now, give us your perspective. Let us know your thoughts about Bitcoin. Do you think we're about to enter into a new leg up higher for Bitcoin? Or do you think we're going to maintain this consolidation of trading? Give us your perspective. Let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video. And as always, make sure you follow us here on YouTube. Subscribe, like, share the video. Join us on Twitter, join us on Instagram, join us on Facebook, and then definitely join us on our website if you guys want to see more of our input about other cryptocurrencies in the space today. We would definitely like to have you all there, so make sure you follow us and join us. And then in the meantime, make sure you maintain a profitability, because staying ahead of the game is where the profitability can be maintained. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one, okay?